Drawings in the name of the game. Fabrication intent with really being in a 3D environment is everything. You want to start looking about how you want to define your drawing methodology. Some places have a one part, one drawing environment. I create a piece of plate, create a drawing for that piece of plate, boom, I'm done. Other places you'll have more like a general arrangement detail views. I want to show the upper level assembly and then have all of the details being associated to that versus having a whole slew of separate drawings. It really depends on group to group or company to company, but look at how your core values are going to be for doing drawings. That'll give you a lot of guidance moving forward. Another area that I like to focus on too, because it's a large departure from doing things in 2D, would be parametric views. Inventor being in a 3D space, it's no longer lines, arcs, and circles on a page. It's being built from something. So you have some new capabilities there around filtered bill of materials. I don't have to manually create bill of materials anymore. Great, but you can also take a look at combining details views with bill of materials, so the shop can see that, hey, for this given subassembly that I'm making, I'm only going to be utilizing these 6 parts out of the entire bill of material. And there's some tools that are in place for that. Hidden lines. Sometimes when you're doing things in 2D, it's hard to keep track of all the hidden lines, especially on complex assemblies. You don't really have that problem anymore in 3D because you can start including that information. It'll populate for you automatically. So you can show in greater detail just what might be behind this piece of plate or some of the structural steel. Detail pages. You are no longer restricted by what you can draw. The more detail, the better, giving shop better capabilities of being able to look at a drawing, see some different angles. I mean, add detail. It's not going to be a huge lift on your side. You probably have to add in a few dimensions here or there, but it does save some time when the shop's running up to talk to you because they can't figure out exactly what's on the page. So again, when you're looking at drawings, fabrication intent is number one, and then utilize what the software can give you through parametric views.